Paris Bordone was best known for his strikingly beautiful portraits, large-scale architectural settings, and cabinet paintings. He studied for a short time with Titian, the greatest Venetian artist of the 16th century, but apparently so aroused the jealousy of his mentor that he was forced to leave the studio. Following his brief apprenticeship, Bordone set himself to imitate Giorgione, another talented Venetian painter noted for his rich, saturated colors. Ironically, following Giorgione's untimely death at age 32, it was Titian who completed some of his paintings. Bordone's work reflects the style of both men, but he is most often confused with Titian. His frustration at being overshadowed by the great Venetian painters of his day led him to seek commissions among French and Austrian patrons. Although his later work is more Mannerist, this work is clearly Renaissance in style. Here, Bordone paints Christ in the pose of a scholar, a fitting tribute to the one John describes as the Logos, or Word, that Word which in the beginning was with God and was God, according to John chapter 1.